Hello, my name is Tristan and welcome to our brand new channel here at Atlas Trailer. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at perhaps one of the most exciting new introductions in the RV market in the last 10 years, so stick around. This one's going to be an absolute cracker. Right, crackers, all I could get my hands on. If I could have got some fireworks, I would have. We did get some silly string though to mark our first episode, but we decided not to burn our resources on the first video. So today we're talking about Track. Track Trailer, one of my favourite camper trailer manufacturers, has now unveiled and released a brand new vehicle to market called the T4. Now, even if you don't recognise the name Track immediately, no doubt you'll recognise Track Trailer's T-Van, perhaps one of the most iconic off-road camper trailers in the market, and of course their single axle off-road caravan, the Topaz. Now the T4 replaces the outgoing Topaz, and this is from one of the unveilings that was held last week out at their showroom at Bayswater. Now they had two models there, the Symphony and the Rhapsody. Of course there's a third, the Concerto. Before we have a closer look at these three vans, quick shout out to the guys down at Track. Absolutely amazing night. Just the sense of community amongst Track owners is amazing, and the vans themselves, it was just like discovering your first Kimberley camper or your T-Van all over again. Just everywhere you looked, the innovation, the detail, it was just so exciting. All right, enough of that, let's get straight into the details. So the T4, completely new vehicle for 2019, 3 years of development. As far as I know, nothing carries across from the outgoing Topaz, except for perhaps some of Track's underpinnings, so the chassis, the twin beam suspension, which most Track owners are familiar with now, and of course these three new models, the Symphony, Concerto and Rhapsody, refer primarily, I think, to the layout as opposed to the luxury. So the Symphony is probably most familiar to the outgoing Topaz in that it has a queen size bed at the front, kitchen towards the rear, and then some seating in the centre. The Rhapsody, similar layout, except it now has the inclusion of internal ensuite. So great for those people that are either travelling to areas that require that, becoming more and more, especially with national parks clamping down on wastewater, or for those with access issues, those that need internal toilet and shower. The Concerto now does away primarily with a lot of the kitchen, has the addition of bunks, however, still has internal preparation or food preparation space. The good thing about the Concerto, of course, is that it has the full premium kitchen included as standard. So each model includes some great standard features, including gas central heating, two-way hot water, 240 watts of solar, 205 amp AGM batteries. But if you get in early, Track's including what they call their first edition pack. So that includes upgrade to RedArc's Red Vision system, a 700 watt inverter upgrade, 205 litres of onboard water storage, zero gravity blinds, pop-up pantry and hideaway dining table, amongst others. Or I could literally go on for the next 20 minutes like this. Just the options list is 2 pages long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a link in the description below. Anyone that would like more info, head over to Track's website. Make sure you download a copy of the T4 brochure. There was a couple of things that I missed that I did want to mention though, certainly for those current Track owners. The bed, the queen size bed, now available in both east, west and north-south configuration. So perfect for those that would like a little bit more space. And the outdoor premium kitchen. Whilst it's standard on the Concerto, it is available for the first time in the Symphony and the Rhapsody, so perfect for anyone that enjoys a full outdoor kitchen. Right, now if you think the Track T4 is something that might interest you, make sure you get into your local dealer, because with Track doing the round of the National RV circuit at the moment, I've got no doubt that that waiting list is growing by the day. If you're still sitting on a fence, you think you'd like to try before you buy, perhaps you don't have room for a van in your backyard, then Atlas is here for you. We've of course already put our order in for our first T4, so as soon as we have a specification and delivery date nailed down, we're going to make that available for pre-booking on our website. At this stage we're looking for a delivery somewhere around about August. Make sure you get in there early though, because being the only T4 available for hire in Australia, I've got no doubt that it's going to book out pretty quick. All right, now that brings me on to next week's episode, RedArc's Red Vision system. We caught a glimpse of it there in the T4. Of Coincidentally, Red Arc is about to release an aftermarket version of that product. We've managed to get our hands on one of those a little early. We're going to be doing an install in a Toyota Land Cruiser. I'm going to walk you through that. It's going to be one not to miss, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Now for this week and every week leading up to our solar blanket special, we're going to be giving away one of these guys, a folding solar blanket. Now all you need to do to enter is just give us a like, subscribe, and any comments below, just leave us a brief comment and that code that you saw pop up during the video. Until I see you next time, my name is Tristan, your friendly camper trailer hire specialist.